Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Village Oaks Elementary in Novi, Michigan, and I got to speak to the kindergarten through fourth graders today. It was an incredible experience. They all touched my heart from the onset, and the main focus of today's talk and presentation had to do with their school motto at VO at Village Oaks. We have a growth mindset, empathize and show kindness, act responsibly, respect everyone, team up, and collaborate. And this is part of their HEART acronym. So we, in particular, though, chose to focus on the E part of this, which is empathize and show kindness. That we really do our best to put ourselves in other people's shoes, to kind of understand where they're coming from, that even if they're born differently than us, that if they have a different skin color than us, if they walk differently, talk differently, see differently, hear differently, learn differently, we still show them that same level of compassion, respect, kindness, and love that you would show your own best friend. That you see them for their heart before anything else, and you see them, that's the heart as big as our fist, but also you see them for what the shirt says here, as one race, human. We see everybody as human beings before anything else too. Because if we don't, we can cause a lot of pain that can last in someone's heart forever. And it just takes a couple seconds. It's just like the peace sign. We either uplift somebody or we take them down through every heartbeat, every word, every action. It can either be positive or negative. We have that choice. And hopefully we're going to choose love. We're going to choose kindness. With the focus today really tying into that theme of kindness, I also brought up, like I do in many of my presentations, a gift from one of the schools that I've spoken at in the past. And it's signed from a second grade class. They all signed the back of it here. But it says one kind word can change someone's entire day. And to really hammer home that theme and reinforce the message from today is that everything we do, even the smallest of things of smiling at somebody or including them to come sit with us at lunch or play with us on recess, we have that power to impact a heart, and sometimes that impact will last an entire lifetime, if not the whole school year. A couple of girls came up to me just after the assembly and said that they're choosing to start a kindness club here at the school, where they're going to go and identify people that they think may need a friend, may need more love in their life, and then go be that change that Gandhi talks about and really spread not only his message but Dr. King's to include people all around us, no matter their backgrounds, to make them feel welcome. And today, on the International Day of Peace, September 21st, every year, annually, the Global Ceasefire Day, it's not only weapons, but it's our words, that we really take a look at how we treat people, what we say, what we do, and live that out. So thanks for touching my heart. Keep the message growing, keep it flowing, all the kindness throughout the hallways, throughout the playgrounds here at Village Oaks. Hope to see you guys again soon. You guys are beautiful. You guys are all miracles. Never forget that, the M etched on all of our palms, upside down for worthy, W with the lines of our hand. We are all very beautiful people, all miracles. Sometimes just have to be reminded of that. Keep spreading your light. Keep showing your kindness. Much love. Peace.